Kristo nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiri riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibe babwate dumrang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asa mabati ali aye chigage emerongibere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabonelia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya ouru complex imeyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiri tukore 13 mutenyo gatano mwaka chiri bubere 2025 kionga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira ire yobwenye nchengatire Nyaboga Wilson makori kurwaso muno habo imanyerere kabana intoika omwario borende ni gobwatingwa asamaga chuye bunge ye county ya Nyamira chingaki ebikaro bye bunge byo byaba bikoiranerwa ritukoriare bikoiranererwa ritukoriare aramagayo gukora umutimo kobone nabonigo aba imse bari bakorwase bunge mashinani bataikirana ebikare mamincha no kuigwana kwabo babigitiri tukuregoro ekero babete bagokora usekera abo imse be county yo babete bagokora egikaro bonsi amo neba nabonigo babe ko kuigwana na nigo barache koirana amori tuko rie 2025 na kabiri chi wiki ibere koruboniga
ngoro ko mheshimiwa James Matinga omo MC we ward ya Gemera na ndendo mo deputy speaker we county assembly ya Nyamira tuko ria rero ntoigore bikao senge nchokanye ni gotore ase omotumuko ogoro kwe recess twaberange site yechi wiki sato ntumira ne teigoro asenge njo yoko banga nganga kitogo cha rero muna momanyete ntu atwara chi group ange Ibere muchimanyiri cha mashina naga batrende sai na tokonya igoro twajitamo twensi balikonya bale mashinani na intwe tugakore ndo igoro gweka mkunchi kuigwana nganga kirero twali kuigore bikao so ntuacha ntuacha kawaida tuigore bikao lakini ntwanyoranga bali bande ba mintokanya bali bunga mashinani na ande budget so nabo twakumisana nganga kibatacha lakini rende ntuntu agendererie bikao bitu na kawaida na ande bitu igwana ndira barabugoro ama ene ntwabikirania sengencho ntwatebanga otoko genda omotimoko gwechi wiki ibere egere togenda tochikoigwana na muna toigwana nete because moroje ntwanya ko bamo egere torore ngaki ngaye mbure ya chagete gototwera toigwana ne egere togendererie amangana itanya mira intwe ganga ya itono kora ngaki nyamira yagendereire lakini bono bari totagete koigwana nyamira yagenderere go bagoika na ande basuka guchimagega bono ntobarochi bono tokumetinga ki ngai bono ngokare bobe mbara gwatatagetie gasi agendere because ni mojo no torega igona boto tageta abandu baminto mumanye nture rumuna mwarigereria no twarenge bunge yaitoga ese ne trawa yate bana no toko baga no toko re bintu kuruga bono gitwacha arende nande ndu gwandera barabugoro.
A motion to rescind the decision of a question on a special motion shall not be allowed. So there are things out there that the deputy speaker is coming back to negotiate. Our standing order does not allow a special motion where impeachment is categorized as a special motion. It will never be rescinded. So for the purpose of the public and the fourth estate, our standing orders are very clear. That is 48(2)(b), that a special contribution that is on the House adjourned until the 27th May of 2025 at 9:30 a.m. Plus many as of the similar opinion saying aye. Aye. Plus many as of the similar
na tugutigana nayo mambia rero nigo mukonyi w'umurai wense muske Professor Pram Kithura Kindiki araige ikaro kyobomo na bawaziri asobomenya bwaya bwakare ni umuchi o Nairobi asege ikare kyo nigo baba bakwanira emerobiro eyen emenge yibarache gokorera abakenye gati yabo bokorera obuya oburayo obuya amagenderero uchumi ebigwanda chindemiro amona yande amangi.
Then the deployment can depend now on how many guests you have. You can have ad hoc deployment, but you need permanent presence. I agree with the Minister, Alice. That if you look at the economic value of that industrial park, 175 billion into the economy, about 125,000 jobs. It's big.
I suggest, Your Excellency, in all future designs, the incorporation of security facilities, including accommodation for the security officers who will be staying there, should be incorporated so that it becomes awesome in all other government projects. And I appreciate by the surprise you've given us that there is a police station. Thank you very much.
PS, we will work together, we'll support you, support all the state departments and the ministries involved, so that we deliver. Other than that, any input, any suggestions? Start with the
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
PPP, right?
No, which is
collaboration funding sources.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, this is the functional composition.
So the CSS here will be fed by the respective PSs on some of the decisions we shall make. But the roads, the water and everyone, like Talanta, will be evacuating 60,000 people. If we don't there, under the guidance of the CS Mburi and our CS, we had the same meeting for Talanta.
To make sure that we work within those timelines and we are going to deliver the project in time. Let's just now. Requirements of water supply, and we are already working on that. Then of course the Nairobi City County, this is a facility within Nairobi City, and we are working with the county, especially also working with the...
Or rather this area affects certain sensitive areas, wildlife conservation, forestry conservation, those two. Thank you. This is a very important project, and thank you very much for the presentation. PS Defense, PS Culture and Heritage, and all the people involved and your ministers.
The power requirements within that facility are huge, and we
Magigaya nigo muskikindiki aikarana imeye kaunti Nyandaro asakorana egikaro nabaraikiri busano kurwa mashinani riko kusange birengerera nabayigo kwanera emirobiro aho yamagendero ase kaunti chinga kechecho kindiki niga kwanero kuko ukogwa kwa magori y'ebintu kurwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza eso abisi nabayigo asateba nige serikali ya Nyawere chibesa chisaine cyogo chigoikiraniria abakenya amagenderero.
Ilikuwa kwa manifesto yetu sisi wenyewe tukikampeni, tulikuwa tunasema bei ya unga iko juu, tungetaka tukichaguliwa tuiteremshe. Kupitia sera ya serikali hii tukasema moja ya kile kinasababisha bei ya unga ifike 240 kilo mbili ni kwa sababu ya bei ya juu ya fertilizer. Mambo haya yamesababisha bei ya unga ambayo ilikuwa 230, 240, 250 ipungue. Sasa iko range ya 150, lakini tuko na nia ya kuipunguza hata zaidi ikuje 100 kwenda chini. Ya petroli vile vile ilikuwa juu, ilikuwa 217 lita moja ya petroli. Na unajua petroli ikiwa juu, ile gharama mtu analipa kwenda kutoka mahali moja kwenda mahali pengine inakuwa juu. Tumeidhibiti kati ya September 2022 na sasa. Bei ya lita moja ya petroli imeshuka kwa takriban shilingi 43. From 217 to 165. I am so focused, and our challenge tukiwa na waheshimiwa wenu, challenge yetu hii masoko tunajenga lazima ikamilike in the next 6 months. Mnajua ya kwamba kwa sababu vile uchumi ulikuwa, barabara zetu zilikwama kwa sababu hatukuwa na pesa ya kutosha ya kujenga barabara. Lakini Mungu naye ni nani? Vile uchumi umeanza kuimarika, nataka niwatangazie watu yangu ya Nyandaro ya kwamba barabara zetu zile zilikuwa zimekwama, sasa tumepata pesa ya kuzijenga na kukamilisha. Contractor wengine wameanza kurudi. We started paying contractors now. Wameanza kurudi. Wale hawajarudi wako njiani, mimi nitawafuata huko kuhakikisha kwamba wamefika.
Mwanachebi no monene omoske Chief Justice Martha Koome nigo atebire bigambiro nigo birene kerenga kyogo cha kugaria bokoreri bwabo kunenchira yamo yo koikeraniria abakenya amagenderero nabo igo obwene bwabo.
Have to continuously improve the efficiency in the service delivery. We have to continuously increase our coordination by working with others, because we don't serve ourselves, we serve the county, we serve the people. And therefore, we must always keep these channels and avenues open so that we can increase the access to justice within all the jurisdictions of where we work and ensure everybody is reached. Justice is no longer the preserve of the lawyers, the judges, magistrates, and the people who are called learned. It is a common good for all of us.
Let these establishments be beacons of hope, fairness, and unwavering justice for all. Let them contribute to a more peaceful, harmonious, and prosperous Kisumu County, where every voice can be heard, every right can be protected, and every dispute can find a just resolution. And I assure you all the requests that have been made with regard to making this new institution successful, with regard to
Rikyo butambe ase wizara y'obocheno omoske Mary Muthoni niga kwanire umoroverio olinda mama oyorengete okonya basubati chingaki chiri abaibwatranete wekara chingaki chiri bakonyara ko baba kogonge Muthoni niga kwanire obuya bw'umoroverio yubuyo ase boigo arurogo segeta no bosemya gocha sabatu abasubati kogenda chinyagitari gose chi clinic chingaki chiri abaibwatranete.
Tulikuwa na program hapo ndani inaitwa Linda Mama. Hii Linda Mama ilikuwa inasaidia wamama. Na Linda Mama mpaka saa hii iko pale ndani. Lakini tukaipamba kabisa. Tukasema la kwanza, mama akipata mimba kuna sehemu ambayo unafaa kwenda ile tunaita clinic. Inaitwa kwa kizungu prenatal care. Hakuna mama anafaa kungoja nyumbani mpaka aende ajifungue. Ni vizuri uende uangaliwe na daktari ndio uambiwe huyo mtoto wako anaendelea vizuri, na pia wewe mwenyewe ndio tupunguze the maternal deaths yenye inapatikana kila mara. Kwa hivyo hii Linda Mama tumesema before delivery mama aende hospitali aangaliwe. During delivery ile ya kitambo Linda Mama ulikuwa unaambua wewe leta karai, kuja na wembe, na gavana ako hapa sababu mahospitali zote ni zake, anajua. Walikuwa wanatuambia ulete mpaka makasi, karibu uambie ulete kitanda ndio ulalie alafu ujifungue. Saa hii tunaambia wamama, wewe fanya mambo yako, ikifika ile siku jifikishe pale hospitali. Kwa hiyo Linda Mama pia, ukishajifungua usipote, uendelee na clinic. Ndio uambie mtoto wako atakula kivipi, atapigwa chanjo lini, anapigwa chanjo ngapi, na pia wewe mwenyewe. Kwa hivyo prenatal, during delivery na
Muwaziri wa masingira Debra Barasa niga kwanire ganga ya serikali yogosimeka emete bilioni 15 wekera omwaka 2030 asabo iga kwanire obuya bwemete negati emeterie ebwenerete gosimekwa.
Multiple interventions that can be implemented, and what is key to us is improving the livelihoods of each and every Kenyan, leaving no Kenyan behind. So how are we utilizing the trees, even as we are growing them, to impact on the livelihoods of Kenyans? And what we'll be seeing coming in is the issue of agroforestry, the issue of growing of fruit trees, issue of growing trees for commercialization, medicinal purposes, as well as for carbon sequestration. So those are key interventions that we are looking into, and what we have really deliberated and discussed with KEFRI is how moving forward they can have their annual work plans aligned to this target of 15 billion and ensuring that it's improving and impacting on the lives of each and every Kenyan. So we have been able to map out stakeholders, including the private sector, the community, the CSOs, the private sectors, among others, NGOs, partners who are supporting in tree planting. That way we can be able to really monitor how many trees we are planting and ensuring we are not only planting but we are growing. We are going to monitor viability, how many are surviving the first year, the 3 years, etc. What we've tasked our team also to do is to look at the value of even the trees that we are looking into, the carbon sequestration, the monetary impact that it would have, say for instance for the fruit trees, the medicinal values like giving the vitamins, etc., and also some of the trees that can be grown in the Asal region. And so we are not only just planting, but we're looking at the site, the species, the impact on the community, the economic value.
Chitaika 15 na Ibere cyabutokire igoro ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabona mugaso wikiraga bunongo cyubikira muri we Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yobonga mwero ninchikora naga iga Chinsa 10 ngoretera yomona yanda asenchira here yobokera ngenda gutwara uburige boro byatumira na Chinsa 10.
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorosya chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati bwekariguri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amarietane nere kimisuko na ere kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nuga pesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo chubo songo ebwato bokoreri bwayo buyake gima na kobwamone gotumeka chi machine chekerero echichiarure korwa sense ya South Korea nuga pesi etobwato bokoreri boito gaiga na kobwamono twakonyiro mugusia asa tambe twabelire gaiga asege kegetambe korwa mwako 2018 mugusi onde bwensi obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegetekio mogongo gugwatia amagora kobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga waka igoro mochando bwa sukari amona moroira manga arese mebere yeito oitana ni nyagetari chinyinge nendo taranyoro bobwenia ne sengenjo ataratarire nyagetari to ya nuga pesi erinda nyoro bobwenia obwega boito aiga nuga pesi ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori kwa mario gandonsi yogo kobekera chemical somubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo gotumeka chi machine na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
nilitaria ana igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one gento na rochege kone igona nyore to buruire mwaka 2002 oburuire obuna akire korinya getari na irunya getari paka bwasinyire bono ngote abangonde bwensi ura doge nganari no buruire buno bobwa mauga boko bimbyo mubiro yo gwati botari korara era tigaike gaige senya getari ya nuga pesti elinde mokonde munanyi gwete nga yankonyire tinare ko nyara konchore bigoti na gwe kumba lakini bono ko nyara konchore bigoti nyigwete nga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwe nande bono
Samarieta kongoro kwa Estanyarik ayande ngoro ku madam director korwa se enyagitari ya nuga pesti nogo tonyora asama gacho Uhuru Towers second floor tirongo tiakabere kegusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya omobero ore buya noro konyara kurigia enibo nuga best nige gotoka asama gacho Uhuru Towers ye building yege sinyaine mteira igotore Kenya Women igoro tirongo ria kabere egento ndakikishere omogusi ominto nuga besi nero yokere aso mochio bosongo timo ngaineka emekora nemenge yachire se chinambe china chinaba obwenete gutwakira tuba oboshauri boisaine motonyore tubakonye twakonyira abange
asamange nabuko bakirisi migwetira chinamba chiabo 0700260518 gose 0784955717 gose 0705860053 Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwako gwenia. Gusii bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja TV ya uwanje ya Getembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimiruli ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miensi ya Kenya, ilia Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, wikanonya Zambia. Egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas no guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemiruli yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 Getembe Television Network Ekeonga Kiamamo Gusii. Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale Ekeonga na Woigo Ekeonga riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate Getembe Tembo abo bago kolemirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania